Hey guys! Today we're going to read a story about what happens when it rains and the dinosaurs want to play. It is by Joe Fitzpatrick and it's illustrated by John Joseph. Rain, rain, go away. The dinosaurs all want to play. Rain, rain, go away. All the dinosaurs want to play. Stuck inside is not okay. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Do they look happy? No, they look sad, right? It's crazy in here when they play. Rain, will you please go away? Sun, sun, please come near. Get these dinos out of here. They really need to go outside. They cannot play in here. They tried. Thank you, rain, you went away. The sun came out to save the day. When dinos stay inside to play, everything is in the way. The end. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for our Dino Day.